What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Matic. Currently we're seeing at 89 cents, down 1.86 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 7.24 billion. 24-hour volume 462 million. Let's pop into the charts. We're gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. So similar to what I was showing you guys with Bitcoin, we could be looking at a WXYXZ correction pattern for Matic that could bring you down for a potential wave 4 pullback. Minimum target is about 82 cents, but it can come down to the 0.382 to 0.5. I think that's the likely scenario. It's either that or we've just put in a WXY and we're going to start to break out to the upside and see a larger wave 3, put in the wave 3 of the wave 3. And to confirm that, we need to come up and break this high here at about 92 cents and then come up and break about 99 cents for Matic. Now, I have been watching this ascending channel here. This is here on the 4 hour time frame. As you can see right here, we've had multiple bounces of support right here, support here again, support here. And we're coming down to that level of support once again, which is at about 86 cents. So potentially we could see a bounce from this level. We're still seeing higher highs and higher lows, maintaining this short-term uptrend for Matic. So if you do start to see a bounce off this channel, that's when you could push all the way up to this level of resistance here. Let me pull this out. You could push all the way up to about $1.65. That's quite a large jump here for Matic. But we'll see if we can hold the support of this ascending channel. We pop over to the weekly time frame and we open up our 20 EMA, our 55 EMA, as I've been mentioning with you guys. We are finding resistance here on the 20. Let me open this up. So this is definitely a level where Matic potentially can see a rejection. We are seeing a little bit of one right now. As you can see, we came right up to the 20 EMA. So if we are seeing a relief rally, we could definitely get rejected in this zone, come down and break lower. And your next strong level of support to watch for Matic, we'll pop it over to the daily here, is all the way down here at about 18 to 19 cents, a little cluster of support. That is if this is not the wave 5 low and we're still looking for one more wave down in the market. But in the short term, potentially what I'm looking at here is we're putting in a WXYXZ that will bring you down for a wave 4 before seeing a wave 5. And the maximum retracement for a wave 4 is 65 cents. So if we come any lower, it invalidates that and we'd be looking at a large corrective wave for our friend Matic. But as of right now, we are looking strong still, just seeing a little bit of healthy pullback here. So just watch for a potential bounce off 82 cents. If that support is lost, we can come down to about 72 and 65. And the really bullish scenario is that we see continuation from here and we see a wave 3 within the wave 3, which is the larger wave 3 right here. And that could take you all the way up to about $1.27 for our friend Matic. So that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord where we're making some juicy profits with our trade signals. We recently locked in some gains on Gala as well as Matic, and we currently have a bunch of trades open with stop losses at break even for Ethereum, a long and short. Matic long position, Gala long position. Stop losses are at break even just in case we do come down. We've already locked in a bunch of profits on these trades. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's only 25 USD per month. For my leverage trades, for my spot trades, you can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt positions. And you also have access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon link. If you want to trade with me, check out my full length tutorial on Bybit. That's where I do all my trading. And up to $4,500 in bonuses over there. And you can follow me on IG if you'd like to. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.